I like to put stuff online.
When it comes to SoFi videos, check 2024 if you can go down a little bit and look how much I've been calling this stock and giving you information since this was $6, and I continue to give you guys up-to-date SoFi information. Look at the other most recent videos I made on all the other stocks. They have mooned, and I don't just sit here because I'm just some kind of a wannabe. This is what I do for a living, is what I trade. Trading is what I do to make money, and obviously I have a wife and a family. But with that being said, show some love. Subscribe to the YouTube. It really means a lot. But it also shows that you're interested, and I'm going to keep making these videos for you. All right, let's get to business. So, last video I made was about yesterday. This was at about $20 exactly. It's risen $1.20. I love to see that. But I also love to see news like this because rate cuts, they're closing towards an edge of it finally getting done. Like I said, I'm still stuck on the month of August. And you say, Brain, why August? Well, look at the most recent headline that came out 2 days ago of inflation being lower than expected. Let me give you a small close course on rate cuts. If inflation's too high, they're not going to lower rates. Why? Is because inflation's already high. That means that the rate of borrowing to the rate of return of the borrowing is totally off balance. Also, just people are not paying their debts back. Just plain and simple. I'm not going to go too technical of terms of reasoning why. But so signaling that the inflation is down, with the $26 billion that this came in from tariffs recently for revenue surplus, we are heading in the right direction. I know we're indifferent on Trump here. I know we sometimes love Trump, sometimes don't stand Trump. We're all over the board with Trump. Trump's such a wild card for the market, it's insane. It's almost like you shouldn't even call it Wall Street, you should call it Trump Street. That's basically what we are at the Discord. Is we play a lot of the Trump, what Trump says is what we play it on, and we've been making money doing so. But why I like SoFi, I think we're edging towards more of a rate cut here close. This is a $40 stock. I just articles. I'm watching this here, barchart.com. Is it a 20, 40, or a $10 stock? 40. They said 40 in here. I'm not going to go down to give you the whole thing. This CEO is telling us for the last however long since I've been paying attention to this stock that this sucker is going to be $40 or higher. He's set on that, guys. That's 100% from here. I'm not going to bore you to make a 6 or 7 minute video to keep on rambling and telling you these things. All these things are pointing into the direction that I'm telling you, and I'm pleading with you guys to buy SoFi and hold it. In a day and age where worries about what the market's going to look like for so far down the line, and the risk to reward ratio of holding SoFi for a year or two is so much higher than a lot of the other stocks out there. SoFi is seriously hitting the marks. It's hitting all the marks. And I like how they're having their new crypto on their app. Crypto is the new way of the future. SoFi's doing all the right things. They have these new different analysts saying that they don't like the way that they're pivoting certain visions to their statement, implying that they don't know how this crypto exchange platform on their platform is going to work out. Don't listen to that noise. As long as it brings in revenues, as long as it brings in new subscribers, as long as it brings in money, doesn't matter. So that's what I got for you guys. Keep on holding SoFi. Don't miss the boat. Like I said, $10.99 for a Discord. We have me as a professional trader. We have one other professional trader. One quit his job in medical field. Now he trades full time. He's in his 50s. Another one in his 50s. Another who owns his own business. Another alerter who is an engineer. And I have one that's in the top of sales in his field. We have a news bot, and we have a community that laughs a lot. We post news all the time, and we just heighten it. In the fact that we can all make fun of each other, and it's hearted and nice. But anyways, SoFi, 100% from here. Love you guys. Let's have a good weekend. Let's really, really guts of steel and hold. Don't pick out. See you guys.